Hello everyone, it's a very beautiful day and I want to show you what I really enjoy eating. Okra soup with grilled mullet fish stew. So tasty and of course healthy. So get your mullet fish, more okra, tomatoes, tatashe, onions, rodo, bouillon cubes, mixed spices, vegetable oil, salt, iru, and you're good to go. Mullet fish has scales, so remove all the scales and clean it properly. Then slice into pieces like this, drain out any water, pat to dry and transfer into your grilling tray. Add your salt, spices, mix vegetable oil, rub it all through the fish and put it into the oven to grill. The fish is bringing out a good aroma. Just flip and allow it to grill properly. The fish is ready. Give your tomato, tatashe, rodo and onions a smooth blend and set it aside. Wash and put your okra into the chopper and give it a very tiny, smooth chop. Now everything is prepped and ready for cooking. Let's start making the stew. Heat up your pot, pour in your vegetable oil, add a bit of garlic, then your grounded tomato, pepper, onion, salt, spices, and bouillon cubes. Mix together properly and allow it to fry together. Then drop in your pomo, mix and add some fish into your stew. Mix the stew, cover and let it fry for about 5 minutes here. And it's ready. I can't wait to taste it. But let's make the okra soup. In your pot, just pour in your smoothly chopped okra, a bit of water, iru and a pinch of salt. This is just a plain okra soup, but very healthy. Mix your okra together for about 5 minutes and it's done. Finally, it's time to taste. Made by Swallow earlier. Can you guess what Swallow I'm pairing with this delicious, healthy, nutritious, enjoyable okra grilled mullet stew? You can see the fish, yummy and soft home. Green okra soup. If you know the Swallow, just let me know in the comment and recreate this recipe for your maximum enjoyment. So keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites. Thank you.